Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deposit money on Coinbase with your bank account in 2026. Once you fund your Coinbase account directly from your bank, here is how to deposit money using a bank account step by step. Let's start by following these few simple steps. Before we start, Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. And if you're looking to join this platform, you're gonna go to this website right here, coinbase.com, and make sure to click on it, and then you're gonna sign up with your account, a new account, and if you already have an account, you can click on sign in. Once you finish setting up your account, you're gonna go and open and sign in with that account. After that, you're gonna add the bank account if needed. You're gonna go to the settings, and then you're gonna click on payment methods, and there you're gonna add a payment method. You're gonna tap on the add payment method option. Then you're gonna choose the bank account and follow the verification steps. Now, to add cash, you're gonna, from the home page, tap assets, or you're gonna select deposit cash. Now on mobile app, you're gonna select transfer, then deposit cash. And on desktop, you're gonna, from the home screen, you're gonna select deposit cash. Now, once you click on deposit cash, you're gonna enter the amount. You're gonna enter the amount and choose the payment method. Then you're gonna select preview and select deposit now. Now, choose your linked bank account as the payment method. Then you're gonna review the details and tap confirm. Now, bank deposits may take 1 to 3 business days to fully process depending on your region. And that's how you deposit money on Coinbase using your bank account. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.